Mga kaibigan, good morning to all of us, especially to our organic followers in different world, in different races and the cultures and traditions that we have around the world. With all due respect from here in the Philippines, good morning to all of you, especially to all my organic followers, organic viewers, and also those my people in my Facebook page and YouTube channel and TikTok here, mga kaibigan. So as you can see, it is the map of the world, which is called a geographical positioning system. It is called the GPS. So the GPS is directly to the satellite. It is called the Sinotrax system. So there is a lot of questions that I need to be answered regarding of that. Those asking me about the Sinotrax. Sinotrax, mga kaibigan, is considered a Sinotrax tracking system, mga kaibigan, is considered as a geographical positioning system. Will be adapted to the different types of the satellite around the world, mga kaibigan. It is a directly signal to the satellite. So if you are in the engaging of the business called in the real time assets, it's called a Sinotrax. No, it is very capable at very accessible to all of us if we are engaging of the business called a rent a car, like for example, mga kaibigan, and those vehicles that you need to be monitored from your mean in the field. So that's why the Sinotrax is the most capable a real asset time, mga kaibigan. As you can see, it is the map of the world. So those are the Sinotrax called, mga kaibigan. As you can see, it is a Sinotrax account here, mga kaibigan. The Sinotrax is a GPS tracking system offering a real-time assets and fleet and management and driver behavior monitoring system and route optimizations with the applications across the various industries in the logistic, transportations, and personal safety, mga kaibigan. So that's why, especially for those people who are asking like that, so you need to apply in the Sinotrax account in order for us, your number will be registered here in one boxes, because Sinotrax, it will be sent you like this. So if we can move, it is for San Francisco. I am very particular here. The world map, it is San Francisco, Sacramento. It is San Francisco, San Jose, California. We are now in the Nevada also, mga kaibigan, but we need to talk about the importance of the Sinotrax. Yon. So yan ang mga kaibigan, it is the map of the world and the moving mobile patrol vehicles here on these stations. So as you can see, it is Cagayan de Oro, Butuan, Davao City, and it is called the Davao regions. So as you can see, mga kaibigan, so it is a geographical positioning system. Sinotrax is very capable and accessible in that for your monitoring in order to you to track. Yun, mga kaibigan, makikita ninyo, diba? We are putting into the one boxes. Yan, mga kaibigan. How do you can manage for your business? You